Meaning of doable.
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 Doable. Doable means that something is capable of being done or accomplished, typically within a specific time frame or with the available resources. It implies that the task or goal is not overly difficult or impossible to achieve. To say that something is doable is to suggest that it is a realistic and feasible option. This term is often used in the context of project management, where it is important to assess whether tasks are realistic and achievable within given constraints. Overall, doable describes a task that is possible to complete successfully.